A waist pack for sports and travel that holds your phone and other items. Perfect for running, outdoor activities, and yoga. Keeps your essentials secure and easy to access, making it ideal for active lifestyles. Stainless steel egg rack for boiling or steaming eggs. This versatile kitchen tool can also be used as a steaming tray for various foods, making it a handy cooking accessory. Wall-mounted toothpaste dispenser that automatically squeezes toothpaste. Easy to hang on the wall and perfect for keeping your bathroom organized and your toothpaste ready to use. Travel adapter with extension plug and light socket. Rotates 180 degrees, providing an extra outlet and light socket on the go. Stainless steel sponge holder with 2 sides for kitchen use. Adjustable and fits over the faucet, keeps sponges and soap organized and helps drain excess water. Ideal for kitchen and bathroom. Electric bottle opener set for home use. Includes automatic opener, foil cutter, and tools. Opens bottles easily. Solar LED camping lamp with USB recharge. Portable light for tents, hiking, and emergencies. Ideal for outdoor use and night markets. Vertical water dispenser providing hot and cold water. Multifunctional and automatic, perfect for home use. Convenient household gadget. Mini handheld iron for clothes that is portable and easy to use at home. Ideal for quick steaming and ironing garments, making it convenient for everyday use and travel. Mouse-shaped foldable phone holder for cars. 1-button release for easy use. Fits any Android smartphone and mounts securely. Creative glass ashtray with a cover. Windproof and portable, perfect for home, office, or car. Holds cigarettes securely. Electric siphon pump powered by batteries. Easily moves liquids like gas, water, or oil. Suitable for ponds and other uses. A manual option is available for added convenience. Stainless steel dough mixer for baking. Made of food-grade material, mixes water and flour evenly. Ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip. Ideal for making bread and other baked goods. Gold sink organizer that holds sponges, towels, and more. Keeps your kitchen tidy with hanging storage and a drying rack. Perfect for counter storage and keeping everything within reach.